So let's start. I'm going to call the menu and going to guides. Now it's going to connect to the available instance. With my eyes gazing at the first guide, I'm going to open it. And I'm going to choose Operate. Good. So it's asking me to confirm. Okay, I will confirm by gazing at it. Step 1. Identify the laptop, and the USB port is on the right side. Let's see. Here it is, where the USB port is situated. As we can see from the picture, the USB port is on the right side, and it's showing to me it's on the right side. It's showing where it is. Identify the stand. Oops, we are having the stand. Good. So now identify the light LED ring. Here it is. Identify the cable. Oh, here is the cable. That one is shown correctly. Familiarize yourself with the command positions. So these are the commands position. Insert the USB cable of the light ring to the laptop port. Oh, what do we have here? We have a hand showing us how to insert it. This is cool. So we have a hologram of the hand showing us where and how to grab it and to insert. Next, when the USB connector is correctly plugged in, the power button is on the commands button will be slightly lit in blue. Here it is. Let's see, it is slightly lit in blue. The hand is pointing at this stuff. Right, press the power button on the commands button to power up the light ring. So here we have another hand showing us where to press. And ta-da! We pressed, we have done it. The light is on. And done.